Alright, welcome YouTube. This is our box break, Double Masters VIP edition. These boxes are a little hard to get into, so I'll start cutting it open now. Tonight our first pick, Paul, was on blue. Our second pick, James, Beck was on colorless. Third pick, Ashley, was on green. Fourth pick, James again, is on white. Fifth pick, Paul again's on black. We got Greg 6th on lands. Got James again on multi. And Curtis on 8th with red. Remember last time red got double blood moon, so you never know what could happen in these boxes. These boxes are wild. Well, that was the case break. They got double blood moon, but still. Cryptor Avison, those would be spicy pulls indeed. Lands is pretty good. It's always got some value. Alrighty, there we go. We're in. We got it, guys. Ooh, that's a nice one right off the front. Cathartic Reunion. Cathartic Reunion foil for red. Well, those ones are like super glued together or something. I don't know what. I'm literally stabbing it with a sharp blade, and it's not working. Like, what more should I be doing to it? Like, I'm not introducing fire, it's cards. I think a knife's about as intense as I can go without risking, like, chopping the cards in half with an axe. We got a Cathartic Reunion for red. First hit for the 8th player. Got a Cloud Reader Sphinx for blue. Got Strength of Arms, white. Ooh, a nice one. Temur Battle Rage. Temur Battle Rage for red. Defiant Salvager, black. Got a Whisper of the Wilds, green. Urza's Mine. Urza's Mine for lands. Nice hit, lands. Twisted Abomination, black. Metal Spinner's Puzzle Knot for colorless. Our first uncommon is Sphinx of the Guild Pact. So I think Sphinx of the Guild Pact is a colorless card based on its numbering, yeah. Yeah, based on its numbering, it's a colorless card, even though it says it has all colors on the card. So that's a colorless card. Confusing. Painsmith for black. Painsmith for black. We have a Riddlesmith. Oops, sorry about the camera bump. Riddlesmith for blue. All the Smiths tonight. We got Sandstone Oracle. Sandstone Oracle for colorless. Ooh, that's a nice one. Path to Exile for white. Path to Exile for white. That's a good one. We got a Marquette Banshee. Path to Exile for white and foil. Nice. Marquette Banshee. Black. Clone Shell for colorless. Got Valorous Stance for white. And our first rare is Mana Reflection. If you tap a permanent for mana, it instead produces twice as much mana. That's a pretty hot card. What's our next one? That goes to Ashley on green. A Stonehewer Giant. Search your library for an equipment card and put it onto the battlefield, attach it to a creature you control, and shuffle your library. That would be pretty good in my in my deck. Let's get some sleeves for these bad boys here. Mana Reflection green. Nice hit, nice hit. Stonehero Giant white. And our first extended border is a Crop Rotation. Crop Rotation. Another big hit for green. Big hit for green. Get the sleeve for that Crop Rotation. And our second extended is Karn Liberated. Karn Liberated. Colorless. Colorless. Big hit. Big hit. Nice, nice. That is... I think there's different arts on it. Get sleeves on these bad boys right away, yeah. Right away. Big hits for green and colorless there. Big hits for green and colorless. Alright, so for lands, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A foil forest. And a foil swamp. Nice, nice. We have an ape. Angel token. I think we'll send that to white since green got a big hit. And we got an elf warrior. And a copy token. Well, colorless got a big hit. Green also got a big hit. Who wants the elf warrior deck token? You wouldn't mind. What are you on, Sawyer? You need the elf token. Oh, you don't have a slot. I see, I see. It's for Kethis. Nice, nice. The foiled ape token is the only token you're missing. What do you guys say? It's not up to me, it's up to the masses. There's 2 tokens. Well, Multi didn't get any hits, so... If the elf isn't on the same one as the ape, no, it's not. It's on a different one. It's just an angel on the back. I don't know if anybody cares about that angel. Or that ape. Just let me know. Anyways, that was our VIP box break. YouTube, thanks for tuning in. If you like this content or any of our other content, feel free to like the video or subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can go to Fangler MTG on Facebook to get in on the box break pack crack action. and Fengler MTG on Twitch for our live streams and live giveaways. Thanks for tuning in, YouTube, and have a good night.